on those. Means it will the ID of the student name Ravish ID is 1, and the course name ID is Java course ID is 1. So it will
Okay.
enter enter the data in this table. It's a foreign. It's not
Okay.
enter there.
How you
For
will do it?
for for your
Which concept you will use for many to many relationship?
many to many relationship, we use firstly we will declare in this table it's the user interface interface.
User interface.
No, that's what I mean. Means the uh, it's a it's we will declare it. We
Mm-hmm.
the student I could explain you uh, the in this course the student is present in the student table. Student is present in student table.
Hmm.
Then it will take it that ID, and
Hmm.
if it not present, then it will add it and then take it.
So,
And similar to course.
hmm.
So we have I have added all the already.
Hmm.
So we have the Java, Python, SQL courses, and
Mm-hmm.
we have Ravish and Sufyan.
Hmm.
Already we have, but we want to add another. Like I have to add my name in
Mm-hmm.
this table.
Okay.
So use so we declare the name and the course name.
Hmm.
Then we will uh, insert it. And
Okay.
if we want Ravish, he wants to add in more courses. So we have already student name, so it will not add it.
Hmm.
So it will take the student name.
Hmm.
If we don't have the course name, so it will
Let's
add
add
that
the
in
entry.
there.
Let's add the entry and then let's see.
Okay, sir. So firstly, we will
Hmm.
declare the student name.
Hmm.
We want to add the mine. So we have student name,
Hmm.
student name, add them.
Hmm.
Then I will write mine. I
Hmm.
want to add. Then we have two tables. So I have to add my name in. Up that I will write course name.
Hmm.
Course name I will enter. Then where
Hmm.
I want to add. So in what happened in this many-to-many relationship, we have in Nazin is not present in the student table, and we don't have SQL in the course name. So firstly, it will check we have the student ID. Nazin we have or not. Then
Hmm.
it will check the SQL we have or not. If it is not in the present in the table, it will add it. If it is not, it will add it.
Hmm.
So for this, we will select. Firstly, we will select student ID. We declare that. Firstly, we will declare. Yeah, we have. Firstly, we will declare the ID.
Hmm.
Declare ID to add in the student course.
Hmm.
Declare student ID. ID is 2. Then we will select. We will select student ID.
Hmm.
We have student ID.
Hmm.
We have student ID. The ID from ID from students. It will check in student. First, it will check student table.
Hmm.
Student students where we will give a condition where student name
Hmm.
where student where student name equals to
Mm-hmm.
the declared name.
Hmm.
So it will check that equals to. If we have, it will execute. If not have, so then it will we will give condition if null condition. If
Mm-hmm.
at student name student ID and then student ID is null.
Okay.
We check it. The student ID is null or not. Then it will we will give the condition insert condition using a begin and end
Hmm.
if else condition. So we will start with begin.
Hmm.
Then we will insert.
Hmm.
We don't have Nazim in the table, so we
Hmm.
will insert it. Insert into student table.
Hmm.
Student. Then the values. The student values we want the declare one.
Hmm.
So we will add the student name. Then it will insert it. Then we will enter in the uh, then we will select the course ID.
Mm-hmm.
Select the course no. We will select the student ID. Firstly, we enter the record
Mm-hmm.
student name. Then
Hmm.
we will select the student ID.
Hmm.
Student ID. Then it will I have the ID is the uh, identity. So it will print automatically. We don't need to. So we use scope.
Hmm. What is scope identity?
Scope identity is it will because we created table use
Hmm.
id with identity, so it will print automatically generated. We don't need to add it.
Why it is used as a scope identity? Tell me the reason.
And
What it will do?
it will do uh, we entering the data because we don't have the records in the table. It's repeated. If we don't have the it will check it's created automatically because the data is not present in the table, so it will check it. And
It will take the last ID. Okay, continue.
yeah, so it will take the id. Then we will begin the and then it's end because we insert the data. Now in this query it will check the student name. Then it will enter. If we don't have the student name, it will print. And the same we do with the course id.
Hmm.
Yeah. It will firstly check the student name, then
Hmm.
it will add the course.
Hmm. Okay.
We declare that. So we firstly we will declare course ID, declare the course ID, course ID is integer. Then the same procedure. First we select the uh, course ID.
Hmm.
I will copy. Then we will check the first is check the student course ID
Hmm.
from course table.
Okay.
Course ID from course from courses table,
Hmm.
where student when course whe- uh, when we have the courses
Mm-hmm.
we have the course name, it will print it and take it. If we don't have, it will if it is null, so then it will insert it.
Hmm.
where course where course ID.
Mr. Azlan and Mr. Shanawaz and Mr. Altamash, do I have shared this video with you guys of many to many relationship?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, I'll share it with you, Aslan. Mr. Shanawaz, have you practiced this?
No, sir, not yet.
Hmm. But you have the video.
I guess not this video. I don't have this video.
Okay, I'll check and I'll share with you guys.
Okay, sir.
Course check, and then it will, if the
Mm-hmm.
course ID is null,
Mm-hmm.
then it will insert it in courses table. Then student ID. So then we will then we selected the student table and the courses table. If we don't
Mm-hmm.
have, so it will print the declared one. It
Okay.
will add the declared one.
Hmm.
Then we will into
Hmm.
insert into the student in the third table. The
Okay.
IDs again, the student ID and the course ID. It will
Hmm.
enter the
Hmm.
student course,
Hmm.
then courses,
Student course
student
is your
courses,
third table. Hmm.
then values. Yeah, that's my third table. Then the added IDs, the
Hmm.
student ID and course ID, it will add it.
Hmm.
Student ID and the course ID.
Hmm.
Yeah. So can I run it?
Yeah.
So what happened in this? The Nazin and the
Course
against
ID.
SQL,
At the
it
rate
will
code course ID. You missed at the rate.
okay. We have two records
Mm-hmm.
now. Using after this, we have three records,
Okay.
and the third table we have four.
Hmm. What is the error?
Cannot insert the null column course ID.
Hmm. So is it auto incrementing when you have created those tables? Have you placed this? Scroll up.
Okay.
Scroll up. So what you're doing you have created student name, student course, two records,
Yes, sir.
declaring student ID
Very good.
int. Why you are declaring student ID over here?
Because
Uh-huh.
we have a student courses table,
Hmm.
so for we are in that table we are entering the data of
Hmm.
student ID and the against course name.
Hmm.
So we don't have the duplicates records. Means that means the one student cannot apply in one process multiple times.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
So that's why
here.
we created the student. So we
Okay.
have firstly selected the student name, then
Hmm.
course name, then
Hmm.
student ID. Then we check the select the student ID from student table.
Hmm.
Then if where student name is student, it is present or not. It will check it here in the
Hmm.
student name.
So it will take
Then
only one iteration. You need to work on this. Okay.
yes,
And
yes,
also the transpose. In transpose also you need to check it back, and transpose is also very important, a very tricky question. You are missing one point over there, so you need to go back and check it. Okay.
yes.
This is
Can I?
I understand this is complicated, or not complicated, but it's a lengthy process and it's a total dynamic query, so you are missing few points over here. Okay, go back and check it. And
Can I can I check it once?
no, no, not now. Go scroll to the next point. So basically what she is trying to do, everyone over here, is she has two tables. And into many to many relationship, what she's trying to do is she has student table and course table. So whenever a entry is added into student table and course table, a new entry should be automatically added into her student course table, where she is maintaining the id of the student and id of the course. Now she has to put one more validation. I don't know whether she has added that or not. That if, let's suppose, if Nazanin is applied for a course SQL, and Mr. Shanawaz has also applied for SQL, that is fine. But if if Miss Nazneen is again trying to insert a query, or if I am trying to insert a query with Nazneen into the SQL again, if I am inserting her ID into Java, that is fine. But if I am trying to insert the same record into the same course, same student into the same course twice, that should not be allowed. So
Is that done?
that we can
Right.
achieve using composite key. Okay, let's see the results.
Yes, sir. I have missed the student ID
Hmm.
against the course ID. That's
Okay,
only
let's
one
see.
mistake I have done. So we
Okay,
can
so
see here the third
see,
value is nothing.
yeah,
Then
now you can see into the course student course table, which is a dynamic table, which is created on the basis of two above tables. Okay, so she is adding two records into the above table, and the new entry is added automatically into the new table, that is course student course table. Okay, if
yes,
you see the third record, Nazneen is added, and she has added one more skill, I believe, SQL. So see the fourth record, 3 with 4, that is 3 Nazneen is added to the fourth record. Okay,
yes,
yeah, good.
yes.
Next question please.
So we can also add the Sufyan and with SQL also. So it will
Yeah.
print the Sufyan is second,
So
student
here
ID is second.
comes a point, that is composite primary key. So how you can create
Yes,
a composite primary key, you need to go back and check that point. Okay, Nazneen, this session is getting stretched. I understand you were not able to explain it yesterday, but that is fine. Okay, so we can go ahead with the next topic. Okay, try to make it more crisp and more clear, and don't try to invest a lot of time. Just
okay, sir.
cover the important points and then explain it. What is your approach, how you can do it. You can, if you want to explain this query, you can do it in a real quick way.
Okay, we can also, it's very lengthy query. So we can use the store procedure in this query.
Very good.
We can simply, we can simply the create procedure and the
Hmm.
procedure name. Then we declare the student name and course name.
Hmm.
Then we the,
Do
uh,
it and show us.
okay,
So
yes,
everybody,
we
I believe everybody is aware about how to create stored procedure. Okay, so she is creating a stored procedure directly.
first we will
Hmm.
create
Hmm.
procedure,
Hmm.
P, procedure, then procedure name,
Okay.
C, C procedure. Then we in the store procedure we are executing. Then we will give the
Hmm.
student name and
We
declare
will
the
remove the declare. Okay,
declare.
there's no
Yeah.
need to declare, because automatically variables are declared at the start of any stored procedure, so
Yes.
we don't need to write a declare over
So
there.
first we will remove the declare one. Then we will in store procedure it will start with the then we will it is with as then we start with begin. Then we will begin the procedure.
You can remove the last declare as well.
Yes, yes. Yes, we will as then we will begin. Then we will end the procedure. For the end, we will write here end. Then we will end. Then we create the procedure. Yeah, store procedure is created. Now we will execute it. For execution, the simple is exec. Then we will write the store procedure. Then store procedure name is three three procedure, three pros. Then we will write declare the value. We have Sufyan. We will add in the Sufyan. Then Sufyan is enrolled in one more courses is SQL. So Sufyan is executed. Only using this only one line we can write execute whole the query. We don't need to. Yeah, I think I could not find above name this one.
Nazin, you can remove the SP and underscore.
Oh, right. Okay. Student ID we have. Next question is trigger insert trigger and update trigger and delete trigger. Trigger trigger is basically uh, it's work like the transaction of the if first if of the first value whether the transaction is insert and if we doing we do any execution like insertion deletion so it will yeah, yes. For trigger triggers we use the before insert after insert before there are six type of trigger before insert after insert before delete after delete before update and after update so we I have the two tables it's movie table and the uh, Bollywood table. So in movie table, it's for create trigger, create trigger with trigger name, then the table name, and we use the not before and we use instead of for and after and the insert update and delete. Then we will use as and then begin and the code and then end. Okay, for we use the after insert. Firstly, we will use the after insert for use. We if we for create the table, we use the create. Then we use the trigger. Then create trigger name. The simple we are doing. Then trigger name. Then we write the on. Then we want the movie in movie table. After insert, after insert means insertion is begin. The insert of, I told that the insert of, the insert of uh, insert as, then we begin the procedure trigger, then insert into Bollywood. The Bollywood value, Bollywood, when a movie is insertion, the Bollywood value is inserted automatically in in the Bollywood table. Movie, you can write anything here. It's basically we create a trigger of movie on movie table when we will insert after insertion, after movie insertion, it will enter the trigger in the Bollywood table. So it will print the movie is released. For after insert in movie, for insert in movie, we will write the insert, then the insert into movie table. Movie table is very. So what will happen after? Firstly, I will execute this one, the upper one. It will not execute anything in update in any table. After insertion of movie, it will print movie release.
Okay.
So triggered work like this.
Hmm.
Yeah. So it's completed. The
Hmm.
command is completed, but nothing is. I will show you the tables. That's why.
Okay.
Nothing happened in Bollywood in both table.
Move on.
We have inserted Bollywood value movie release, but
Hmm.
it's not print
Hmm.
because the trigger is not insertion
Executed
is
yet? Huh.
executed yet. Yeah,
Hmm.
that's why it's not printed yet.
Okay.
After insert value in movie table,
Hmm.
then it will print both. It will print the Akshay and movie release both.
Very good. So both the
So trigger.
records are added. Now
Yeah.
one.
So
Huh.
whatever happen in the trigger table, it
Hmm.
will print the in the Bollywood table. If
Hmm.
I delete from movie table, it will print some whatever we want to print in that table. If movie deleted,
Can
it
you
will print the
update
movie.
it? Can you show us how the update works
Yes.
using the same query?
For update,
Hmm.
we will we
If I
set the movie.
if
We
I want
say
to change the name of the movie, what is movie
uh,
REL? I just want to keep it movie released. I just want to update it movie released. What you
okay,
will do, alter that particular command only. Okay, or whatever you want to write it a new
yeah,
command, then copy paste and do it quickly.
okay,
Okay,
sir. Yes, sir. I
just
will.
don't
So first we will write the update. I will write five first. Is this my last one? First we will write the update. We want the
mm-hmm,
update movie.
mm-hmm,
Update movie.
mm-hmm,
Then we will set the name we want to update.
mm-hmm,
Then the name of the movie.
mm-hmm,
The name movie is Akshay. So we will change
mm-hmm.
into the Anil movie.
Okay.
Okay. Then we will create a trigger. I will,
Mm-hmm. Copy paste, yeah.
I will copy this.
Mm. Create trigger name.
Yeah, trigger name. Then we want to if movie
Mm.
is updated.
On which
I will,
table we will give the name of the table. After insert, we'll give the command as after insert as begin.
after we will write here after update because we are updating not inserting, so we will
Hmm.
write here the after
Right.
update,
After update.
then all the things is as it is.
Hmm.
So then I will execute this one.
Okay.
After update the movie, so it will not happen in. We have all the already.
TRG in
Yes,
your
yes, I
already.
understand. Understand. Yeah. So my command is
Very
successful,
good.
but nothing in happen in Go table because
Mm-hmm.
the updation is in process.
Mm-hmm.
So after this update movie, then it
Mm-hmm.
will set the change the value. I will show you the
Two
value.
values are
The
changed.
Akshay is changed into the
Anil.
Anil
Okay.
movie,
Hmm.
right?
Okay.
So we can see here
Mm-hmm.
the the movie only one column, but in the trigger the table, in the Anil
Mm-hmm.
table movie is the second row is
Because you
created, the
have
movie is
inserted
updated,
it. Yeah.
inserted. Yeah.
Hmm. Hmm, hmm. So if
So
you
it will
want to.
work like this.
Hmm. Okay.
Trigger work like this. We can
Hmm.
also delete the process for deleting.
Hmm.
We simply the delete
Hmm.
from which table we want
Hmm.
and the name. So
Okay.
for delete, we will write the delete.
Hmm.
Then from movie table,
Hmm.
from movie
Hmm.
condition
Hmm.
where
Hmm.
name is Anil. Anil we have only one data we have is Anil. So it
Okay.
will delete the records
Mm-hmm.
or so we have to write uh, the query
Hmm. Trigger.
trigger. Yeah, we have to write the trigger
Hmm.
trigger delete. Then we write the after delete because we are
Hmm.
doing the delete.
Hmm.
Like this. Yeah, so command is successful. We can see here and nothing because we have in movie table, but in Bollywood table we have a four record.
Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Then after delete. Hmm.
Now,
Hmm. Very good.
yeah, so we can see here we don't have any movie record. We have only
Very good. Hmm. Now, have you tried using the update and delete queries inside the trigger?
query inside the trigger. No,
Yeah,
sir.
you have written in create trigger trgu. So inside that you have written insert into. Yeah. Now I want you to try with update and with delete as well. Okay, got it?
Okay, okay, got it.
This is the one combination for three. That is insert, insert, update, delete. Now I want you to create for update, update, insert, update, delete, and update, update. Then we will be working for delete, insert, delete, update, and delete, delete. Yeah, two more combinations are left.
Yeah, yeah, yes, sir, yes, sir. You are
Ha.
talking about the other not trigger, the before insert and the after insert. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I will.
Great presentation, Nazneen. Great
Thanks.
topics you have covered. This is amazing. I appreciate. Though the time is, you took a lot of time, but the points you
Just
have
one big
covered
question.
are very important. Yeah, and because of you were not able to explain it yesterday, you have covered it, today, and you took it very seriously, and you came across with all your circumstances, and you presented it. It's very amazing. I want you to grow the way you are growing right now. Thank you so much, for your hard work and dedication. I seriously appreciate your efforts and hard work for
Thank you so
learning and
much.
understanding these things. Thank you so much. You can stop sharing your screen. Yes, Mr. Shanawaz, Mr. Altamash, after Mr. Shanawaz you can present. He has some work to go, so he wants to present the first. Yeah. Okay.
Hope my screen is visible.